Well, hello everyone. Here I am. For the last 4 weeks, we have been getting ready for a trip that we are going to take throughout Europe with a group of friends. We are 10. So how are you? We have been enjoying the first part of summer. Judith and I had to teach summer school because we had to make a little bit of extra money for the trip that we are taking. So at first, we had to go to Los Angeles for a graduation, and I went to Cuba. And then we started working, and we've done things here and there. We went to Florida and a couple of things, picnics and, several things that we've done. But the real vacation starts tomorrow. So thank you for taking this trip with us. I am going to try to post videos at least every other day. Every other day. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. And thank you for taking this trip with us. First stop is Reykjavik, Iceland. Second stop is Amsterdam. Third stop is Bruges in Belgium. Fourth stop is Paris. Fifth stop is Barcelona. Yay, can't wait. So we've been hanging around the house, packing and talking about the trip, waiting and talking about the trip. And I call everybody that is traveling and we talk about the trip. We're just, we travel a lot, but every time we travel, it's like we're like little kids. Isn't that the truth, Judith?
It is true, and
yeah.
I cannot wait until tomorrow night.
Yeah, so the big day is tomorrow. We'll be gone for a month. Yay! I am doing something that I don't do often, which is packing way ahead of time. But I wanted to make sure that I could take this little suitcase for the whole month that we're going to be away. And of course, Judith is there, just
watching.
Giving advice and watching and saying, no, not that, no, this, no, not that, She's just a great helper. Well, important things are packed. Socks for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and the list goes on. What do you think? And now it is Judith's turn to fix her suitcases. She's had everything on the bed for a few days now, and she has asked me to give her some suggestions. I don't think she's going to be able to fit all of that in that suitcase, but we will try. Judith?
Hey.
You going to do it?
We have to, yes.
All right. We might be able to do it if we cut a few parts from the clothes that she has.
There's no cutting.
That might be the only way to fit it. But we're starting today. I'm done with mine. Before Judith gets here, she has so many scarves. I don't know how she's planning to fit them all in the little space that she has left over there. But anyway, there she comes. And here she is. 2 drawers full of multicolored scarves.
Papi, you have envy of my scarves.
Actually, I don't envy you at all. I don't think I want to wear especially that yellow one.
This is beautiful.
Maybe the pink one over there.
You're so mean.
And there is Judith's nest.
Papi.
They look like eggs. They're the scarves that she made very little so that they fit in the suitcase. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. We will see. And today, since we're going on a long trip tomorrow, Ellie and Renee, my son and his wife, and my parents, we're going to have a picnic this afternoon at a park to say goodbye. We're having a picnic at the river. With Renee, Ellie, Judith, me, my dad, my mom. We have a lot of stuff.
Hello.
It seems like it's going to be a nice picnic. We're leaving tonight. Picnic is almost over. You can see the table. There is almost nothing there. And Renee was just telling me that he's going to miss me when I'm gone.
I'm going to miss you when you're
He's
gone.
such a sweet son. In the morning, we will drive a car to New York City. And at 11:30 p.m., we will be in a plane well, whatever, we're going to be flying to Reykjavik, Iceland. And I will keep you posted. Bye.